Okay, fantastic fourth graders. Today we're doing lesson 6 in module 1 with you-know-who, your teacher, Mrs. Fiska. Okay, we've been learning a lot about place value. We're going to use all that we know about place value, and we're going to use it to do a number pattern, like 1,000 more or 1,000 less. So we're going to work on that today. Okay, on our place value chart, we are going to show this number, 3,112. So we're going to do this on the first row. So we have 3,112. Okay, so in our second row, we're going to show 1,000 more. So this is my thousands, and I'm just going to make this a 4, and all the rest of my digits will be the same. So I can say that this is 1,000 more. Okay, so let's erase that, and let's see what 1,000 less would be. So 1,000 less would be 2 and 3, and we change it to 2. 1 less 1,000, but all the rest of my numbers are the same. My digits are the same. Okay, in the first row of the place value chart, I'm going to show 20,000 or 2 10,000s. So I'm going to put 2 in my 10,000s, and then I have 3 in my thousands. And then I don't have any more, so I'm going to put in zeros to show that this is 23,000. Okay, now in my second row, I'm going to show 10,000 more. So I'm going to go to my 10,000s, and I'm going to do one more, which is 3. And then all the rest of my digits are the same. So this shows 10,000 more. Now, how would I show 10,000 less? So I'm going to take my 2, and I want to show 10,000 less. So I would take the 2, and I would make it a 1, and then my answer would be 13,000 would be 10,000 less. Okay, we're going to do one more, and when we do this one, I'm going to actually write out the answer down here so that you can see it. So here we're going to write out this number. We're going to show 200,000. So I have 2 in my hundreds, and then I have 3 hundreds, and I have 5 tens, and I have 2 ones. But I want to go back and put my 0 because I don't have any thousands or 10,000s. And now I'm going to do 100,000 more. So I'm going to go up to my 100,000s, and 100,000 more would be 300,000, and all my other digits would be the same. Okay, so this would be my answer for 100,000 more. It would be 300,352. And then 1,000 less, I would just change this to a 1. Then I would have 100,352. Okay, let's do number 4B on your homework. We're going to use our place value to do a number pattern. So we need to figure out which numbers are changing in our place value. So let's look at this number. I'm just going to put on here, I'm just going to choose one. I'm going to put this number on my place value chart, and then we'll take a look at it. Okay, now I'm going to look at this number, and I'm going to look over and I'm going to compare it to this number. Okay, and I know that my 7, it's not changing. My 100,000s, but my 10,000 are changing. Look, here it's a 7, and here it's a 6. So I want to go up by 10,000. Okay, so I circled the 10,000 and on the place value chart, and I'm going to make it go higher by 1 in my next pattern. Okay, so it went up by, it was 774,000, and now I have 784,000. Okay, then I would change this to a 9, and I'm going to write my next number in the pattern. Okay, my next number is 794,000, and so the 8 in the 10,000s went up to a 9. Now, if you look at the next number in the pattern, it goes up to 80. So if I'm thinking about 79, 10,000 more would be 80. Okay, so sometimes we have to be careful when we have a 9 as a digit. Okay, so let's look back here, and if we have 764,000, this is going to be 754,321, and all my other digits stay the same unless I need to go up to the next place value. Okay, now you're going to complete your blue homework pages and bring it to class tomorrow. Remember to follow directions carefully and include your name and your number. Okay, here's your joke for today. Are you ready? How do you stop an astronaut's baby from crying? You'll get the answer tomorrow. Bye.